So track fans, welcome back to Running Factory. And in case this happens to be your first time here on the YouTube channel, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now there is something very serious that you guys need to know, and it is about the Clayton twins. Now a lot of you do not know who these people are. Now let me jog your memory. These Clayton twins are very good in sprinting. No, now I know that these Jamaicans, there is something a lot of people don't know about Jamaica as a country. I feel like Jamaica is the powerhouse of sprinting because they keep on training younger athlete that will take over the future. Let's look at other countries like the African countries and even the USA in general. They don't have much trained young athlete that will take over the future, and that is why they are having problem in dominating in athletics. But Jamaica is totally different now, with Briana Williams making it three good female athletes coming up to take over sprinting in Jamaica. That is to show you that Jamaica has a bright future in the female side of the sprinting event. And even in the male side of the sprinting event, we have Thomson, Sivili, and Akim Blake. They are ready with their full force to take over the men's side of the sprinting event. And for the female sprinting event, I feel like Jamaica are already covered. They are already covered because there is no nation that is closed to Jamaica in bringing up new talent, new younger generation to take over the sprinting world. And now, as you can see from this picture, there is a white man standing with the Clayton twins, which is to prove to you that their influence is very big. Their influence is very strong. Now I have a question. The question is, do you think the Clayton twins and Briana Williams stand a chance to participate in 100 and 200 meter individual in Paris Olympic, or you just feel like they have a chance in the 4x100 meter in Paris Olympic? Because this is going to be a tough competition, because we have Shelly, Elaine, and Sherika. Will they allow them to pass over them? And I know you guys are wondering why I said a white man was standing with the Clayton twins. Now, he is not just an ordinary white man. Yes, you heard that right. This man you're seeing standing in the midst of the Clayton twins is one of the biggest official in the athletics community, or let me say in the athletics official office. Yes, he is a very high ranked personnel from the athletics board itself. So him standing with the Clayton twins proves to everybody that they truly have this influence.